My mother is a doctor. My father is an engineer, and my sister and I we grew up in a two-bedroom apartment in Moscow. Uh, right now it's more central, but it's still not the center of Moscow. It's a suburb, and it looked like I don't know. The majority of Eastern Europe looks like the tall buildings, concrete blocks, uh, everything walking distance, and I was born in 1974, so I grew up in the 80s, and when I started high school, 1989, I remember very well. It was the 27th Congress of the Communist Party, or maybe it was 19th Party Conference. I don't know, like one of those things, and we were asked by our teachers to listen to this because they said, well, this is the end of the era. And I remember that 1989, and it was. And there was always a sense of living through historical times. And I got very interested in thinking about living through history, collapse of the Soviet Union, and we're witnessing it. And there was something very exciting about this. I remember that time is very exciting. All these new things come up, very interesting. Everything that my grandparents kind of all the values that they taught us and all the values that the government taught us, suddenly they were questioned, and it was very, very exciting.